honorable judges, respected teachers and dear friends. Assalamu alaikum and a very good day to you all. Today I stand here to strongly support the motion that student politics is beneficial for Bangladesh. Why? Because student politics has always been the voice of justice, the defender of democracy and the soul youth of empowerment in our country. First of all, let's not forget our history, who led the language movement of 1952, who raised their voice against Pakistani oppression, who sacrificed their life in the liberation war of 1971. It was the students, yes, the students of Bangladesh, organized and powerful because of student politics. Secondly, student politics trains young people in leadership, decision making, and social responsibility. Many of our respected national leaders today, like Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, began their journey through student movements. Student politics gives us a platform to raise their concerns, be it about quality, job opportunities, and corruption in the education system. Without student representation, who will speak for us? Yes, it is true that there are some problems, violence, decision making, party-based division. But do we blame the knife for a murder? No, we blame the user. In the same way, student politics is not the enemy. Misuse is reform it, not remove it. In conclusion, banning student politics means silencing the voice of the youth. It means ignoring our role in building a just, democratic Bangladesh. Let's fix what is broken, but let us not destroy what made us strong. Thank you, Tachan.